Hey everyone, Arafat is here. Today I will share with you how to crop videos in Premiere Pro. Open your Premiere Pro software and let's get started. I have a sweet and beautiful video here. Now I want to crop this video. By default, if you go to Effect Control, you don't find any crop option there. You only find Motion Effect. We use Motion Effect basically for position, scale or rotation. We can't crop with this effect. Let's give you an example. Let's increase the scale. Play with position. Then double click on Program File. Set it to 10%. Now you will see it just changed the scale and the position of the video. So let's reset everything. Go to Effects. Search for Crop. Drag it to your video clip. Here you find some mask option. Ellipse mask, 4-point polygon mask, and free pen tool. Its work same as Photoshop pen tool. Fast is fast, so let's work with this circle mask. You can customize this as you want. This is mask feather. It makes the edges smoother. It also works the same. Then we have mask opacity and mask expansion. Mask expansion expand the crop size. Set it 100%. Check this box. Now let's see how work this mask expansion. You get the same control here. Reset all and let's see the next option. The control is same as before. You can delete any of this point by holding Ctrl and then right click on the mouse. If you want to make it bigger with the same size, hold Shift and just drag. You can do the same thing with the circle also. Set it to 100%. Same as before, you need to invert it. Let's see how it's look. You can change feather, mask expansion. This time mask expansion gives you a round look. You can make the round areas more smoother by using mask feather. Looks good. You can set the mask opacity as you need. Let's see a quick preview. And the last option is hand-free pen tool. You can use it to make any shape as you want. Now here we get 4 options: left, top, right and bottom. You just need to change the value and boom. You can see a zoom option here. If you check this box, it will fill the video with your skin. No matter what is the height and what is the width, it just fill. Remember, it does not fit, it will fill. Let's give you an example. See, it's also using distorting. At the very bottom of it, we can see there is an edge feather option. You can increase the value. Also, you can reduce the value. This is for today. In my next video, I will share with you how to track people face in Premiere Pro. So goodbye for today. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon for never miss an update. See you on the next video.